So we're going to start off with the braid pattern, just some straight back braids. It's important to make sure your braids are small and neat to make sure you have a good foundation under your wig. And of course, you know, we gotta go in with the oil to oil her scalp so her scalp won't be dry up under her wig. Now I'm just gonna lay her edges back and prepare her for the cap method. The premium HD wig caps are from me, and you can find them on my website. They're the thinnest caps around, and they will definitely help your melt process. This is their 20-inch Bodywave closure wig. Now we're just blending the cap in with her skin by applying her makeup to the cap. You can also apply that same makeup to the inside of the lace. Now, once I make sure that the wig is positioned correctly, we can go ahead and mark where the lace will stop so we won't go past that line. And now we're applying the glue so we can adhere the wig down. When it comes to cutting the lace, I really like to use a razor. I feel like it gives the most natural look and it doesn't give you that blunt straight across the line. And of course, apply glue up under any lace that did not stick. Now use your melting spray and lightly tap it on top of the lace to give it an extra melt right before you tie it down with your melt band. Now we're just touching up the curls. It didn't take me long at all to curl it. I did about 6 big curls on each side. And now I'm going to comb the curls out with a wide tooth comb, especially since we're going for a more relaxed look. You don't want the curls to be too tight. And this is the final result. This is really a timeless look, very professional but sexy. Thank you so much for watching. Be on the lookout for videos every week, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.